Three ways that you can reach the people that are not following you yet on your page or on your channel or on your account on social media. Now, if you do these three things I'm about to tell you, you can reach your non-followers absolutely, whether on Facebook, whether on YouTube, whether on TikTok or any other platform. Okay. Now, watch this video to the very end so that you can learn these three things I'm about to tell you. Number one way that you can reach people that are not following you yet is the number one way to reach them is to run an ad. Now, every platform has a way that you can run ads so that you can gain followers, except that the rules might be a little different from different platforms, but they're basically the same. Okay, you can run ads so that you can reach a wide variety of people that are not already seeing your videos. I mean, if you use one of your videos to run ads, even if it's on TikTok or on Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube or any other social media out there, if you use one of your content to run ads, chances are people who are interested in your kind of content are going to see your video. And once they see your video, they're going to follow your page. Okay, so that is the one solid way that you can gain followers. Okay, people that are not following you yet, you can reach to them. Okay, that is number one way. Now, the second way that you can reach your non-followers on social media is to engage on other creators' videos. Okay, now engagement here means liking videos, other creators' videos, commenting on other creators' videos, and sharing other creators' videos. Now, the most important of them is commenting. All of them are important, but commenting is the most important. Now, there are some unique and outstanding comments that you will drop on people's pages. Now, the followers that are coming to that person, to that creator, when they read your comment, they will want to know what you do, the kind of experience you have to be able to drop this kind of comment in the comment section. Some of them you click on your name and then they will go to your own page and watch your own content. So commenting on creators' videos is very important, except and then the most important thing is that you will find creators, maybe if you are still at 100K followers. Okay, now you find creators who have reached up to 500K followers, 800K followers, 1 million followers. Now, when they post videos, then you go to their comment section, watch their video, and then you go to the comment section and comment on that video, and then comment in a way that is unique to that content. Now, people and every other person that is coming into the comment section, once they read your comments, they are going to want to know who this guy is and what this guy is doing on social media. So that is another way of reaching people who are not already your followers. And through that, you can also gain followers. Okay. Right. So that was the second thing that you need to do. Now, the third thing that you need to do so that you can be able to reach non-followers on your page is to create original and quality content. There are a lot of creators who call themselves content creators, but they don't create original videos. It's important that you create original videos. Now, every of my video that I've posted on my platform are original videos. Okay, so try as much as you can to create that originality in you. Even if you have to create a reaction video, add some level of originality, make it a 50-50 thing. Okay, put some originality into that video that you want to react on. Okay, so be big on originality. It will pay off. Even if you're getting 10 views, like I'm getting 10 views right now, but I know that this video is eventually going to explode one day. So even if your views are low now, keep on going with your originality. One day, the people that needs you, the people that needs what you're talking about are going to come to you. The algorithm is going to bring your videos to those people. They're going to like, they're going to comment, they're going to engage on your content, and you're going to get those views that you so desire. Okay, so focus on creating original videos and make it quality videos. The one way that you can get quality videos is to add value to your video. Make sure you are giving up value in each of your videos. Okay, like, comment, share, and follow me for more exciting videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.